This smartwatch seems to have quite a lot of features and a very budget-friendly price. In this video we'll unbox, test and do a short review on the new A.E.A.C. Smartwatch. At least that's how I think you pronounce the brand. I think it might be an acronym, but I'm not sure. Anyway, you can find the link down below if you want to check it out. The box looks quite interesting. This is the features that it has. Now we'll need this tool to unbox it. Nice. Let's see what we have here. Warranty card. Then we have this operation manual. Then we have the charger. Let's see how it looks. Simple charger with pins and magnets. I would have preferred USB-C, but this is still okay. The length is not that big. We have maybe 30 centimeters, something like that. The smartwatch. Interesting. It actually shows you how to turn it on. Please charge to activate the watch before you use it. We'll try to activate it without charging and let's turn it on. Yeah, we need to download the app, but first of all, we can see a bit of a border here. And other than that, these are the sensors that we have. These are the two charging pins. That's the button and that's everything on it. Quite light. Let's download the app. Okay, now let's scan this QR code and see where it takes us in Chrome. That's the Very Fit app. Okay, so before you start using the app, you need to allow the app to use some of the things, and you can also allow the app to use the health. I'll probably just turn all of them on and then start to use the watch. Searching for device. It found the device already. We can see here. Let's connect it. Pair the device. Allow. Oh, that was fast and easy. Now you also need to input some personal information. So we managed to do an account, and that's everything we have on the app. That's the health data, taps, heart rate, calorie, VO2 max, stress, SpO2, health trends. Let's see what's here. Okay, sleep habits, run, training. Basically here you can see everything from the watch. We can also add family members. So then we have exercise, start training. That's the device. You can see the battery life connected. Then watch face. It also has a watch market. That's really cool. Notifications. You can get notifications. Let's allow notifications. Everybody. See how it does. Then we have health tracking, heart rate, stress, SpO2, which seems to be disabled. Cool. You can do an automatic SpO2. Drinking reminder, hand washing reminder, fitness, sleep, and cycle tracking. Interesting, it also has a cycle tracking. You can also connect it with Alexa. Here are more settings. Intelligent exercise recognition, sports types, find my phone, weather push. Let's enable this. We want to see the weather. Tiles, interesting, and my account. So that's everything on the app. Now let's check the watch. That's how it looks. I really like this face. It's kind of cool, I would say. So if you go from down up, you have notifications, which you can delete. Then from up down, you have your settings. It has a bit of lag, I see. This is a budget-friendly one, so you would expect that. On the right, we have activity. Then we have everything we can measure. If I hit play, measuring something. Yeah, I was waiting for that. I was thinking it's not gonna measure anything, but yeah, you need to put the watch so it does measure. So let's go back and let's put it on the hand. Nice. And instantly we see it looks for the heartbeat, BPM. It needs to be quite tight. Try again. Measure this. Okay, 89 BPM, SpO2 16, and the stress is normal. Nice. If you go that way, we can see outdoor run and start. I can also hear the sound of the speaker. It has a speaker, which is cool. Here we can see everything that is tracking, but I need to stop this one. Okay, slide that way and then you're done. So if you slide this way, you have the wear the watch to monitor sleep quality. Then we have the weather for today, and also you can play songs, or I think this is the control for whatever you're watching.
Is to go in and make your color adjustments as you...
Yeah, whatever you're watching on your phone. Okay, what else? Need to set up the Alexa app, and that's everything. So if you go the other way, it's backwards. Let's see, if we press the button, we have the things here. That's the apps. Music.
Like them, maybe
Oh, that's actually connected with the phone. We also have camera control, find my phone, and settings. Battery level 93%, good. Watch faces. Yeah, it seems like a cool watch and a budget friendly one. So let's see. Yeah, it has a wrist to check the time, but it's not always on. That's what you need to be aware of. Also, if you check out the pixels, it seems quite clear. Obviously not as clear as an Apple Watch, but it's quite clear. You can't really see the pixels, especially if you look from the distance. It's really well done, I would say, for around 45 pounds, I think. Now let's talk a bit about the watch. The bracelets are really easy to pop off and on. I think 22 millimeters most likely. It seems really cool for a watch this small. It looks like it has a microphone as well. I see some holes around here, and it does have a speaker as well. I'm not sure if you turn around this button it does something. I think it does nothing, but it's here just for fun. When you're stressed out, you turn this button around. The watch seems to be quite cool for the price it has. I think it's 45 pounds, and you also have a discount on the Amazon, so it's like 10 or 15% discount. You can check the link down below if you can still find the discount, and it should be like 30 pounds, which is really budget friendly. And yeah, you kind of get everything you would ask from a smartwatch. And the screen, I would say it's really good. I'm not sure about all the tracking. I might do some tests on it, so first impressions are good. It sits well on the hand. I'm not a big fan of the Apple Watch like design, but yeah, it looks good, especially if you're a fan of the Apple Watch design. Check the Apple Watch Series 8 review next if you're interested in all the features that it has and how it compares to this one. Bear in mind that the Apple Watch is really expensive compared to this one, so it won't have nearly as much features.